In this video, we check out my new fancy alloys. So I just got back from getting the tyres swapped over. I was going to chill out today, then get them on the car tomorrow, but I can't help myself. I need to get them on now. The tyres look pretty good. I thought they look a bit more stretched. You can see like a bit of angle on the sidewall to allow for the extra inch width of wheel, but they look pretty smart. There's not as much. I was worried that there was going to be too much alloy rim sticking out at the edges. Apparently I was speaking to the guy doing the tyres, because I got Goodyear Eagle F1 Super Sports. They have like an extra bit of rubber on the side to sort of protect your rims from curbs and things, so they look like a really good fit. So yeah, really chuffed with them. I'm going to be running, for the time being, I'm going to fit the wheels with some 3mm spacers. That's primarily for the front wheels because I wasn't happy with the clearance from the Brembo calipers. To be honest, it's probably the same as what I had with OEM, so I should just get over it, but I thought for the sake of just chucking some 3mm spacers on, we'll give it a go. They were quite cheap. Shout out to Merlin Motorsports over at Castle Combe Racetrack. They're really helpful guys there. I got 4 3mm spacers for something like £29, so that's pretty cool, and I can just drive up there and pick them up, which is good. So anyway, back to the job at hand. I've got some spigot rings that come with the alloys, so I need to fit them and the 3mm spacers. Let me show you them actually. So there's the spigot rings. I expect them to be metal, but they're like a hard plastic-y type thing. And these are the sort of universal 3mm spacers. So I've just fitted the rear right wheel. I won't show you just yet because I want to show you when they're nice and clean and the car's on the ground. But yeah, the rear right one went alright. Right, so the time has come to get the wheels on the car. I spent probably a couple hours yesterday doing, well, cleaning off that sort of white pasty stuff that they use for when they fit tyres. And then I used some, I was recommended this stuff. C5 wheel armour from G-Tech IQ. It's supposed to protect wheels and calipers for sort of 1 to 2 years. So I thought I might as well do that while they're nice and clean. So yeah, so I spent a couple hours doing that. So hopefully they'll be a bit easier to clean for a while, because they're pretty, there's lots of like stuff going on, so I imagine they can be a bit of a bugger to clean, but there we are. They're all gonna look awesome. So yeah, you won't have to wait too much longer to see them. I'm just going to detail the car because it's what is it? It's summer action day at Castle Combe next weekend, so I need to clean the car, yeah, detail it, and then put it back in the garage because I think it's going to rain the rest of the week, and then I can get it back out then for Castle Combe. But before that, I'll give you a little look at the new alloys. So that's a bit of a different video to normal. It's just me showing off my alloys. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm very, very pleased with them. I keep saying it, but yeah, I absolutely love them. It's really transformed the look of the car. There's lots more stuff to come on the channel. I'll be doing some more aesthetics and sort of some tightening up the engine bay. I'll be installing some rear shims to sort out the rear toe. Loads of car shows to come as well. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that out. So thanks for watching. Chuck a comment down below, hit the old notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.